In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to send a certified mail piece in Postalocity. Our price for certified mail is generally $5 to $10 per mail piece and can only be delivered in the United States. You should choose certified when you want a United States Postal Service carrier to personally hand this mail piece to a person at that address. Postalocity gives you two confirmation options for certified: no signature or electronic signature. Both options include a tracking number that follows the piece from mailing to delivery. Only the electronic signature option will send you an email notification when the delivery is complete. Here's what the final product will look like for the recipient. And here is the email I received from the post office that it was delivered. Now let me show you how to make one yourself. After you are logged in, select the Use Wizard button on the left side of the screen, then select the Certified option and start building the job. The first step reminds you to save your document as a PDF in the US letter size. If your file is ready to upload, go ahead and click Begin. The next screen gives you popular choices such as color ink, black ink, one or two-sided, changing your return address, and picking a different envelope design. Right now I'm adding my name to the return address area. You can use this standard envelope or select a design you have created or one in our gallery of options. Go ahead and click Next. Now you get to choose the delivery confirmation type. Select None if you do not want anyone to provide a signature, or select Electronic Signature if you want the post office to email you an image of the signature provided when they deliver the mail piece. Obtaining a signature does cost a little bit more, but both options require someone to physically accept the letter, and both are trackable through the post office website and on Postalocity. For this mailing, I want to select Electronic Signature, and I enter my email address to receive the notification of delivery. Then I'm going to select Next. Now you're going to upload your letter or PDF, and if you have multiple PDFs, you need to combine them into one PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the PDF over to the upload area and release the mouse. As the file uploads, you're going to see the status bar, and it will turn green when it is done loading. Then I'm going to click the Next button. Now I'm going to name my job, and this is where you get the option to customize beyond the basics, and to do that you select the Go to Job screen. If you are good with the basic settings, go ahead and select Start Processing. The progress bar will load, and your job's going to take a few minutes to process. Here is where you can review the sample of your piece exactly as it's going to mail, and you can also skip ahead to step 5 to see the total price. Now you're going to click on the thumbnail image of your letter, and a PDF proof is going to open on another tab. You have to allow pop-ups. On the proof, you're going to see the certified mail sticker with a barcode and a number. This preview image will never show your actual tracking number. Your real tracking number will be assigned after we've mailed your piece, and that's usually 24 hours after you've processed it on a normal business day. So check the address on the proof. See how it doesn't show the company or attention lines? We will update that address here in just a moment. Go ahead and close that box and hit Accept for the proof. And here's where we will review the address quality in step number 2. Since the address is green and it's on the left side, it has been identified as a good domestic address. If your address is red and located on the right side of the screen, you need to find the proper address and update it by clicking on the appropriate red text link, or the mail piece could be returned to you. I still need to add the names to the envelopes, so let's click on the green link, and I'm going to add the info that is missing. Then I'm going to select the blue Save Address Change button. And then I'm going to go back to the job. The button is at the top of the screen. And now you're going to notice that my mail still has a good domestic address located on the left side. So let's go ahead and click Accept. Now you're on step number 3, where you get to select the mail date. Certified mail cannot be sent the same day it was created, so the system has picked the next business day. Then click Accept. Now you're on to step 4, which requires you to review our terms and conditions. Once you have done that, go ahead and click Accept. And then you're going to be on to the fifth and final step, which is to pay and approve the mail piece. The cost of this piece is $7.23. If you do not have money in your meter, select Add Money and then enter your PayPal or credit card information. Once you've ensured that your meter balance has sufficient funds, select Back to Job. Now you're going to select the big green button that says click here to pay, approve, and send the job. You'll get another screen confirming that the job has been approved and is ready to be printed and mailed. The tracking number will be assigned on the mail date after 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here's where you can find the link for the receipt. You'll receive an email notification of the job status change about 24 to 36 hours later. If you selected the electronic signature option, you'll get an email from the post office with an image of the signature when it's delivered. To find the tracking information and updates from the post office, you will click Jobs in the top right corner. Find the job you sent from the list of mailed jobs and select it. On the next screen, you will select the green Tracking Information button. Then on the Mail Pieces screen, you will see down in the bottom right corner an area called Certified Information. Your tracking information is updated in this section. You can copy and paste the tracking number into the USPS system to receive updates. We hope we've made creating and sending certified mail just a little bit easier. Have a great day.